That's right, everybody. Good morning. It was a butt crack of dawn. The sun has not even come up here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Getting ready to go inside because the new ride is open, but you have to be inside the park and get a boarding pass for these new Star Wars ride that's in there. So I'm going to get in there, try to link up, because I really want to see this new ride. We're in line here still waiting for the rope drop for the park to open. The sun's starting to come out, and the way they do it is right at the crack of 7. That's when you can join your boarding pass for the Rise of the Resistance. So I got it. I am group 37, which I think is a pretty good number. Should be an AM boarding time for the ride. So now we just got to wait for the park to open, and it's pretty busy. There we are, group 37, Star Wars. Also for today, they're saying that if you're in a boarding pass lower than 128, you're probably going to get to ride, but there's still no guarantee. So 128 is the magic number, and I got 37, so that's really good. We are finally open and moving now. They're herding everyone over to Galaxy's Edge first thing in the morning, so it's like really busy. I don't need to go over there quite this early. Everybody's going there, but yeah, they're still doing Christmas here in January, like the other parks. Christmas tree looks nice. This is the park that I don't know as much about. Also, you guys remember in a past video, I was here during like the major remodel a couple years ago. There were only 3 attractions working at all. Well, it started with 3, and then when Tower of Terror went down, there was only 2 working for the entire day here. So I haven't had great experiences here, but we got to get over to Star Wars because it is supposed to be an epic show over there. So I guess it's not linked to my app. I'm going to get a text message later when that group boards. So until then, I'm trying to avoid this stuff. What a mess. All right, we are getting ready to enter Galaxy's Edge, new at Disney's Hollywood Studios. There's the entrance. Look at the detail in here. Yeah, look at the garbage cans even. All sorts of cool spaceships. Just gonna go over here and see if I can get a fast pass for the other one, the Smuggler's Ride one, because otherwise this part of the park, this $1 billion renovation to the park, it's pretty busy still. Hear all the sounds and everything. Look at that X-Wing up there. That is the line for the people that are boarding for Rise of the Resistance. So we're going to avoid that right now. Go around the corner here. And there it is. The Millennium Falcon. If it's got gas, we should take it out right now. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful addition to the park. Yeah, I want to sit right up there too. I know, yeah. Ship up there on the roof. Oh man. Even Smuggler's Run right now, they're out of fast passes, and currently standby is 180 minutes, 3 hours. So I don't want to stand in line first thing in the morning. We'll go do some other stuff and come back to this. Here's the cantina in here. It's a happening place. All the old R2 units. I like the color of that one. Spare parts. Gotta love the detail around here.
Hey, look at the guy, the follower.
Yep. Time for some blue milk. All right, got one. Luke Skywalker's blue milk. Cheers. That is quite delicious. Not too bad. It is only 9:02 in the morning. Remember, I got the boarding pass at like 7 a.m. So 2 hours later, there we go. It is time. I'm going to take you guys in with us. Rise of the Resistance. It's going to be fun.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Panda and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate replay sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Pokhara personnel, this is your final call report. That's better. Check the minor in motor. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive meeting, I need that view.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, Red.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. We will disembark immediately and proceed down the corridor to await interrogation.
misfits of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're with the Resistance. We're here to rescue you. Right this way, recruits.
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
We're using
Before
the
they
color codes the First Order gave you. Blue and red are to your left. Silver and orange are to your right.
Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get them all on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Find an alternate. These two droids anyway.
Priority alert. Detection is imminent.
There they are! Fire! Let's follow us! Hurry!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
The other side had the same thing.
Attention! All resistance personnel! Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This is the back!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear!
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his posture.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Best Disney ride ever. Are you kidding me? That was awesome. Encore. Obviously, I didn't film every single ride, but I did go on Tower of Terror and the Rock and Roll Coaster and everything I wanted to go on. So, and I got to see the Star Wars thing, which I really came for. But it's important to note, they actually shut down the ride. They actually had a problem, a technical difficulty, so they shut it down at 1 p.m. And so, that's the hard part, is you don't know if it's going to reopen for the people here. That's why so many people are leaving right now. Like, we can't tell. There just was a big wave, but anyway, there is one other thing here in Disney that I am excited about, and that is the new gondola system. Gondola system? You know, the new track thing. So I'm going to go see if I can ride around a little bit. There we go. The Skyliner. I think I called it the gondola, but it's called the Skyliner here at Walt Disney World. Let's go hop on board. It took me forever to ride the monorail. You know, let's get on this the same year it opens. Woohoo! Oh, those are beautiful. Wow, I love it. And takeoff speed. On another note, Disney opted out of putting air conditioning in these gondolas, so in the primetime heat of summer, it might be kind of warm in here.
We will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
So just a 5-minute ride from Hollywood Studios drops us off here at this transit station here at Caribbean Beach Resort. And you can get on another one right there and go to more resorts and stuff. So I'm glad I got to ride on back and get my ride back. Hey, Jax. How you doing, buddy? I missed you, Catman Jax. Stayed nice and cool? Right on, man. You wouldn't have liked it. Lots of crowds, lots of roller coasters. It wasn't kiddie type stuff, okay? All right, man. You want to hang out? I still got to do my workout. I didn't do it this morning, okay? I'll do a workout and shower, and then we'll cuddle and watch some TV, okay? What do you mean no? You shook your head. You mean yes? Okay, good. I started editing the video and noticed that I'm missing some clips. Some video that I shot this morning talking about what's going on, because anyway, since I lost that, I did leave Orlando, and I'm about 45 minutes away from Orlando. I had a friend invite me out to his property to boondock out here. So Jax had a safe spot, you know, out of the city, and it was a nice little break. But, you know, going to be heading west from this direction is the next plan. And, yeah, that's all I'm going to say for now. I look forward to the next video. Bye, guys.